So very good evening, everybody. Very warm welcome to the session. And I would like to, first of all, I'm so thankful to Mr. Shankar Sareen for accepting the invite and being as a guest speaker for all of us today. So I would like to, as a first thing, I would like to introduce Mr. Shankar Sareen. Mr. Shankar is a passionate marketer, having more than 22 years of experience in branding, campaign planning, strategic marketing, digital and social marketing. He has worked with big brands like say TCS, IBM, Cisco, and he's a very strong believer in the power of marketing. And you can imagine that being 22 years in this field, I mean that's what his key forte is, and he's a strong advocate for influencer marketing and account-based marketing. That is his specialization core area. In his current profile of heading the marketing for Tenable, he is responsible for India and SARC marketing sales numbers. He is an ardent reader of fiction novels, a self-proclaimed calligraphist, a fervent listener of music, and he loves to travel, go out for tours, and mingle with super achievers, intellectual colleagues, more than having just a fancy title syndrome. So his specialties, especially in the marketing, if you look at it as this digital marketing, account-based marketing, thought leadership campaigns he has been a part of. He has been part of the CXO, relevant marketing communications. So anything, in this so-called the ocean of marketing, which is pre-sales, sales, customer management, all that thing, I mean, that all goes to Mr. Shankar Sareen. So thank you, Mr. Shankar Sareen, for, being here with us. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you, Dr. Subodh, sir. And thank you to all of you who've joined in. Thank you for, everyone who's just about to join in. I can see some people in the waiting room. So a call out to our backend team. Please admit everybody. And, to my dear friends, I was, and I'm still, a learner, and I'm probably, like all of you, I attend these webinars. I wish we could have met in person, but currently what the situation is, I think all of us are better off logging in from our home. So good evening to all of you. As Dr. Subodh said, my name is Shankar Sareen. Yeah, I don't want to disclose my age, but yes, I am fairly, if you see my white hair popping out. So yes, I am. I'm in my mid 40s. I love marketing, and I am a passionate. You could call it. I'm very passionate about what I do. So yes, marketing is my core area of strength. Marketing is what I've done for a living. So in what I've planned today is I would just probably share with you a simple 5-slide presentation. And I wouldn't have done that, but I thought at times it's good to have a presentation just to, have a discussion guide. But I was about to say kids, but to all my friends, treat this as a two-way street. Please, if you think there are, areas that you want me to stress on, or there are, genuine places where you think I should pause and give you some more details, feel free to stop us. Dr. Subodh is another expert. When I was interacting with him, I realized that the two of us can actually make this session more interactive, more engaging. So while we could probably spend the first 15-20 minutes on a small presentation that I've put together, the rest could be completely focused on you. And remember, I know it's a very cliched line, koi question bura nahi hota. So if you have even the smallest of doubt, something that probably you wanted to check with people, you didn't know who to reach out to, we are the right people. We could guide you, we could help you. And if any of you wants to take up marketing as a profession, you're in the right meeting. So without further ado, I would probably share a small presentation, and I sincerely hope that this session is an interesting one for all of you, and hence I've kept the name of my presentation as "What does it take to be a successful marketer?" Um, I've tried to use very simple terms. I've tried to make it fairly, I would say, interesting. But yes, it ultimately depends on you how much you could gain from this. And let me just so this is just while Subodhji did talk to you about what I've done. Please don't take it as something that I'm trying to boast about myself or trying to say, but this is how things happened in my life. While to be very honest, when I did my schooling and when I did my engineering, I was not sure what I wanted to do. I was just keen on engineering because I was very good in sciences, very good in maths, and I had a flair for both the subjects and the natural progression between the stream that I was choosing. Between humanities, between commerce, and between sciences. I could see that my connection with sciences was probably the best. So yes, I did my schooling. I chose sciences. I did my engineering. And then after my engineering, I did my MBE. So I know many of you probably today would be BBA, MBA. So yes, I did not do BBE, or BBA. I did engineering, but then I chose Masters in Business Economics from Delhi University as my postgraduate course. And from the campus, I got through Tata Consultancy Services, TCS, spent good 2 years there, realized that they were pushing me into coding because I had done engineering. While I did coding for some time, but I realized that, that's not my cup of tea. Joined a company called Yugs, spent 2 years there. Yugs is where my, interest of marketing actually got heightened, and realized that, yes, this place is where my birth of a marketer happened, if I may say. I was fortunate to work with IBM. If many of you don't know, it's called the Big Blue. And another trivia. So if any GK question, if they were ever to ask you which is the favorite 9-bar logo of a technology company, that's IBM. If you count these bars, they should be 9. I haven't counted, but yes, there were 9. Then after IBM, I moved to Cisco, another lovely organization. And after Cisco, I'm currently working with a cybersecurity firm called Tenable. It's a wonderful place. We're in a very niche, high-tech industry of cybersecurity. If I were to, think of my skills, give me 1 minute. Yes, if I were to think of my skills, I think I'm fairly good in strategic marketing. I'm fairly okay in market intelligence. I am somewhat good in digital and social marketing. I'm good in demand generation, and I'm good in content marketing. But yes, my strongest trait has been my strategic marketing. On the personal side, my interest, I love animals. I honestly love animals a lot. I like playing badminton. I love going for nature walks. Like many of you, I love music. I can listen to Bollywood music. I can listen to, uh, I can listen to good pop music. I know many of you would like Justin Bieber, Taylor Swift. So yes, I listen to them as well. I've got 2 kids. My daughter is 16. My son is 12. So yes, I understand what keeps them alive. I love spending time with my family, and I love reading fiction. So yes, those are my strong areas and my personal traits. Moving on to, okay, so this is where things become slightly interesting. So this is where, when we talk about skills required for being a marketer, and this is where I would want all of you to pay slight attention. When you think of marketing as a profession, there are some inherent skills that that are expected that you would possess. So, and many of these skills might appear, very cliched words. सभी बोलते हैं creativity चाहिए. Now, what exactly is creativity and why is it required? Let me make it somewhat clear. So, creativity is when you're expected to think of new innovative ideas, when you can actually appeal to your clients, because ultimately clients would want either a boost of sales or a visibility of their brand. So creativity is when you actually give them some very creative ideas, could be interesting concepts, could be thinking out of the box. And this is where creativity definitely, I would say, is needed. So if any of you think that yes, you are creative, marketing could be probably one area you could think of. Technology skills, now this is super important. So you know not because I'm an engineer, hence I'm advocating that technology skills are required, but today things are becoming so technical. So if you haven't heard of terms such as search engine optimization, pay per click, account based marketing, uh, measuring your pipeline through salesforce.com, Tableau, I think technology is becoming more and more important. So what happens is, guys, if you, let's say you're working in a company and you are responsible for generating leads, because ultimately marketeers को um, या generate leads करनी होती हैं या awareness increase करना होता है, and the only way you could measure is to actually log on to different tools that you would have in your company. So some tools similar to these tools are Tableau or salesforce.com, and they are slightly technical. So if you don't have a flair for technology, I would say the new age marketing, what we do today, has a big amount of technology skills inherent. So technical skills, yes, definitely. Then I think the next important skill required is analytical thinking. Again, these appear words that probably all of us keep hearing so many times, and many of you would feel कि यार shit ये sir भी वही बोल रहे हैं जो हम सुनते रहते हैं. But what exactly is analytical things? Let me tell you. So what happens is, many a times when you have to market, you have to start from a base level, and know what the base level is. So think of analytical skills as some amount of understanding of the market that you've done, trends that you observed, lots of research based secondary data that you might have, market intelligence reports that you see, lots of information that the field would give you. So what happens is, at times you would get so much of information, and uska nichod nikalna, ya uska getting those meaningful insights out of it is what analytical thinking is all about. So many a times when you hear this word in job description, or when you hear this word, you tend to probably think of okay, analysis kar liya, thinking kar li. Analytical thinking probably is the amalgamation of both the two words. Nahi. And analytical thinking is when you've got lots of sources of data, and you have to absorb all of them and then come out with something meaningful out of it, something that potentially you could use and decide where to go next. So that's analytical skills for you. The next trait is negotiation. Now, guys, negotiation is super, super important. So what happens is, as a marketer, you'll have to negotiate with everybody. You'll have to negotiate with the client. You'll have to negotiate internally with your company. You'll have to negotiate with lots of people. So negotiation is super important, and negotiation could be as simple as good bargaining skills that you might have. So if you can logically convince the other side that yes, what you're talking about makes sense, marketing is a good field for you. Let me give you some real life examples of negotiation. Where I work, I am a part of a Asia Pacific team. I've got a colleague in Singapore, I've got a colleague in Hong Kong, I've got a colleague in Australia, and I have a colleague in Japan. Now, हम सबको एक budget की टीम में से marketing budget मिलता है. Obviously, the logic is that जिस country का sales target ज़्यादा है, उसको ज़्यादा बजट मिलेगा, because obviously sales target ज़्यादा है, so he or she needs more marketing dollars to meet that target. But what if I tell them that नहीं sir, it doesn't work like that. हम लोगों का growth projection maximum है, हम लोगों का the number of people that we have is less, so the amount of marketing that we require is more. Or what if my brand is not so popular in India, and hence I require more marketing budget? So at times that's where your negotiation parts come into picture. The other is okay, another example. When you guys ultimately join any company, you will realize that marketing को ये लोग एक gift shop की तरह भी treat करते हैं. They think that marketeers are people who have this बड़ी सी अलमारी, उसे खोलोगे उसमें खूब सारे giveaways और gifts होंगे. And lots of sales people would say कि यार शंकर एक टी-शर्ट हमें दे देगा, एक पेन और दे दे यार. So that's where you have to negotiate with them so that they don't feel bad about it. But at the same time, you actually tell them that, guys, you know what, these are limited, they've been counted, I would have terrible guilt pangs, ye tum log ke liye nahi hai. So you have to ensure that you still maintain a good relationship with them. Obviously they are your colleagues, but at the same time you're not giving them those free giveaways which unfortunately this profession is associated with. Okay, so negotiation skill is important. Communication obviously goes without saying. If you could communicate, and communicate bhi dekho, don't get me wrong, I don't care aap Hindi mein baat karo, English mein baat karo, local language mein baat karo. I think the important part here is that if you're able to communicate your idea to an agency, how you want the advertisement to be weighed, or how you want a brochure to be created, that's what communication is all about. Communication ये नहीं है कि आपने कुछ गूगल से बहुत अच्छा कॉपी किया और आपने उसको एक प्रेजेंटेशन में पढ़ दिया. So what I'm doing, at least I'm trying to communicate what's there in my heart and what I've gained over the years of experience that I've done. So I'm not saying I'm an excellent communication. So probably when I've listed these skills, I probably would have followed a logical manner. So communication could be the last for me, but I think these 5 skills, guys, if you have it in you, marketing could be a good profession. Okay, so ye meri third slide thi. My fourth slide would be categories in marketing profession. So this is where I'll talk about terms that you would keep hearing. Essentially, when you talk about marketing, remember when I was sharing my okay, let me actually okay, forget it. I was trying to see if I could go back and actually tell you when I had my first slide where I'd shown you where all I work and my skill set. I had strategic marketing, I had brand, I had market intelligence. Those are actually, if I can say, streams in marketing that ultimately when you enter the corporate world, you would try and have as probably areas where you could join. So the first that you'll keep hearing would be market research. Now, this category actually is researching the intended target. Now, your target could be companies, your target could be individuals. And in order for a company to actually capture a market, it's very important that they understand the market. So research is essentially, process of understanding their consumer, understanding what their needs are, unki purchasing habits kaisi hain, what all are their likes, dislikes, and essentially market research is done through, आप probably surveys करोगे, आप focus groups करोगे, आप खूब सारा secondary data को analyze करोगे. And when you've got these data, lots of data in your hands, that's when you put in that analytical thinking hat, and you actually give some meaningful insights to the marketing team or to the strategic marketing team and tell them, guys, this is what research tells us. Okay, so that's the first bucket that many a times you'll hear. Brand management. Now this is interesting. So brand management, guys, if you are very you know passionate about some brand, so brand management is all about, you know, like managing a small business in itself. So let's say मैं आपको example देता हूँ. Let's say Perfetti. So if you guys have heard of Perfetti, it's one of India's largest confectionery company. Okay, Perfetti में आपका Alpenliebe है, Perfetti में आपका Big Babool है. अब हर एक के लिए एक ब्रांड मैनेजर होता है. सो अल्पेनलीबे का अलग ब्रांड मैनेजर है, बिग बबूल का अलग ब्रांड मैनेजर है. सो ब्रांड मैनेजमेंट इज व्हेन you actually have to, you know, think of the entire brand as your own small little company. Okay, and brand management is when you actually do everything with the brand. You are literally, you know, the CEO of that brand, if I can call it. So if you got you know, kind of holistic skills, you can actually be a brand manager because you see the big picture. And इसमें आपका job है that, you know, you've got the target audience from brand research team. Your job is to ensure that, you know, through your campaigns or through your, you know, outward or promotional activities, you give the brand essence, you identify the brand opportunities or marketing opportunities so that आपका जो यूनिक ब्रांड का मैसेज है दैट गेट्स कन्वेड. ओके, सो एज अ ब्रांड मैनेजर आप एक नया एड कैंपेन निकालोगे, आप ब्रांड के, यू नो, थोड़े थोड़े एसोसिएटेड वेरिएंट्स निकालोगे. नाउ वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग, अल्पेनलीबे ने अभी क्या किया. सो वन ऑफ माय वेरी गुड फ्रेंड्स, मेरे कॉलेज का दोस्त अल्पेनलीबे का ब्रांड मैनेजर है. नाउ कोविड में अल्पेनलीबे ऑब्वियसली नन ऑफ द ब्रांड्स वर डूइंग दैट वेल, पर उन्होंने क्या किया, अल्पेनलीबे में विटामिन सी डाल दिया. So they fortified the Alpenliebe with some amount of vitamin C so that, you know, kids or even adults who are consuming Alpenliebe have some amount of immunity build up as well with the vitamin C insertion. So that's the job of a brand manager. Can you introduce a new brand, you know, a new variant in your brand so that the brand gets a fillip, gets a push and does well? So that's your brand management. The other is you know, that's the challenge when you have animations in your slides. Strategic marketing. So strategic marketing is what I actually did a lot and still do, and I think that's where it comes into picture. So strategic marketing, let me tell you what it is. So think of strategic marketing is when you actually, you know, you have to plan a campaign. जैसे मुझे अब क्या करना होता है, I take care of a company which is into cyber security, which is slightly technical, but I have to figure out ways of getting the mind share of chief information security officer. अब हर एक कंपनी, हर एक big बैंक के पास, big pharmaceutical company, big manufacturing company में एक CISO है. CISO is your chief information security officer. Now, how do I get his mind share? How do I appeal to him? Which vehicles do I reach? What kind of market intelligence do I use? How do I get information on my target addressable market? How do I, you know, if I have limited budget and पूरा universe है, उसको हम white space कहते हैं, which verticals should I first target? So that's what strategic marketing is all about. Okay. Then आपका आता है advertising. Now advertising, I'm sure many of you know. Obviously, you know, advertising is probably that creative guy who creates those good ads. But guys, advertising is not only that. Advertising, you would have lots of, you know, account managers. You would have lots of account planners, media buyers, because think of advertising as not only, you know, creating that interesting ad, but where all would you want to show that ad? क्या Facebook पे ज़्यादा अच्छी रहेगी या क्या YouTube पे ज़्यादा अच्छी रहेगी? और, you know, if we targeting youngsters like you, क्या Instagram में अच्छी रहेगी, Snapchat पे अच्छी रहेगी? Where would that advertising click? क्या क्लब हाउस को हम यूज कर सकते हैं अपनी एड के लिए? बट what if clubhouse is very expensive? So depending on your target audience, depending on their interest area, depending on the careabouts, you have to figure out what is that best media mix that you have to adopt. Okay, so that's advertising for you. Then promotion is as I told you, promotion is more to do with the fact that what the as I said, what the ad is all about. Now you have to think of creating avenues or uh, purchase incentives, discounts, coupons दिए, sampling की छोटे छोटे गिफ्ट्स दिए, एक न्यूज़पेपर में एक छोटा सा promotional gift डाल दिया, or rebates दिए. So those are the promotions. You have to figure out what is the best time to do a promotion. You have to figure out what the promotion could be. You have to figure out would the promotion click. अब let's say आपने कुछ बहुत youngsters के लिए promote करना है. Let me think of it. Let me think of probably and guys don't I could just think of this example. Let's say it's a fairness cream brand. Now promoting a fairness cream brand through probably a sample in a atta packet would not make sense, because that probably those two product categories and the consumers are very different. So the vehicle that you use for promoting your product, the kind of promotion you do, is very important. Okay, so that's promotion. The second last that I could think of in real life, what we come across is PR, public relations. So public relation is when you are very good with media companies. You have to get that perfect statement for your organization. If you've heard of press releases, if you heard of talking to analyst firms or media people, so there has to be a good PR. And PR is generally a guy who's very sharp, or a girl who's very sharp, who can think right on your feet, who is very very good communicator. And again, communicator not in English or Hindi, generally a good communicator. So because you are actually managing the image of your brand or of your company in front of media, so you've got to be very clear. You should know the vision, you should know what it means. And hence PR guy generally, or PR person, is a very smart thinker. Corporate communications, again, I think I've covered it, but think of it as a person who can communicate everything internally. Internal communications is as important as external communication. So somebody who's very good at motivating the team, taking everything taking inputs from your employees or from your colleagues, and using that to create a strategy. That's what corporate communication is all about. So I think this was my second last slide, and the last slide is just some random. I would say it's an animated slide, but it just tells you what all soft skills I think are very important for a good marketeer. So I would probably end with that slide, but believe in yourself, being creative, having a hobby, curious, hard work, follow your passion, be optimistic, be gracious. I think it's very important. We have to thank people. Tech savvy, just dream or ask the universe. Sincere, have a point of view, be elegant, be different from the crowd, plan and execute, think big, enthusiastic, strategic thinker, have a good social circle, have lots of friends, and help others. I think just a simple slide to tell you that I honestly feel that if you have these traits, and if you believe in these, you would be successful, guys. Any profession, I think, if you believe in yourself and you think, yes, this is the right thing. Something tells me मुझे यहाँ जाना चाहिए, just go ahead. And if you definitely, if that's a passion and you can identify the passion, just follow it and just be there. Sincerity, I think, is never, as they say, is never out of fashion. If you are sincere towards one thing, well, definitely, I think that would show its result. Have a point of view. POV stands for point of view. Point of view is everybody, all of us have a different point of view. Could be against the motion, could be for the motion, could be very different. But I think have your own point of view. There's nothing wrong in having a point of view. You would have fights with your friend. Could be as simple as my dad and I keep having a fight because my dad follows one political group. I follow a completely different political group. We keep fighting, but yes, in the end, obviously, we are dad and son. But yes, having a point of view is okay. It's always good to have something that's unique to you. Have a hobby. Hobby could be as simple as reading a book, which I'm very fond of reading a book. Hobby could be playing a musical instrument. Hobby could be sports, cricket, lawn tennis, anything. I think having a hobby is very important. Be gracious, guys. Be thankful to people. Be thankful to God. Uh, I think gratitude for me is very important. And guys, this could appear very boring, but I think I honestly believe that things like these play a wrong have a long play. So with that, let me welcome Dr. Subodh back into the discussion. And
Yeah, thank you.
any
Thank you so much.
questions? Thank you. Any questions? Happy to help our friends.
Sure. So thank you so much, Mr. Shankar. I think in this half an hour, I think you beautifully, talked about and explained to students. In fact, I also learned, from this session. So thank you very much. One thing, which was I was curious to know is that, from where these pictures which you got in the presentation, is it that you shot these pics yourself or like to?
I did. So I'm glad you asked, and I forgot to clarify. So these are all pictures that I actually shot myself. So
Great.
when I was actually working on this presentation today morning, I thought, what is the best picture, to put behind? What does it take to be a successful marketer? And I thought, why
Sure.
don't I use my own picture? So that's actually my son.
Okay.
Obviously, he's 12 now. He was
Okay.
probably 4 or 5. So yes,
Okay.
these are all pictures, and the best part, these are all pictures from our own country. So this is actually
Okay.
Jammu and Kashmir. This
Great.
is actually again Manali. Uh, Sorry,
Okay.
this one is an international, but yes, I have
Yeah.
used all pictures, my own pictures. So thank you
Yeah.
for asking. Yes, these are all my pictures.
Okay, so I think that's a great thing. And in fact, I wanted to give this message to the students that, just imagine that, as a marketer, even you can use your own pics and, you don't have to worry about those copyright and give it in your presentation.
Exactly. It's
Yeah,
what,
so
guys, it's very important
yeah,
that royalty free that Dr. Subodh sir talked about. Oh, copyright infringements could be very dangerous. So please, and all of us, thanks to our smartphones, we click some real good pictures. So please, feel free to use your pictures if you've got nothing to hide, and if you think your pictures can convey the message, please.
okay, great, great. Mr. Shankar, there's one question which the student is asking. The student is curious to know about mobile marketing. That how mobile marketing, how much that is important, and what is the impact mobile marketing is making in nowadays. Yeah, so we'd like to know that.
Oh, very good question. And I'm glad that's a very technical question. But sorry, I'll just change my. I was sitting, I
It's
have
okay.
a.
It's okay, sir. Yeah,
Okay.
no problem.
So uh, mobile marketing, guys, it's super important. So what's happening is, as a trend, more and more people log into your cell phone or log into mobiles and access information through mobile, through tablet than desktop. So when we look at, when I have to plan for my digital marketing spends, I actually have started, and marketers have increasingly started spending more on mobile than on desktop. So if you don't know, the digital sites, the apps, everything has we call them responsive apps, responsive site. So the sites should come up on your mobile in a very elegant manner, because what you see in a broader desktop is different from what you see in a micro browser. So mobile marketing is very important. Mobile marketing is not going anywhere. Mobile marketing is more intrusive also, unfortunately. So when I say intrusive is when I target somebody on mobile marketing, and if the person has not disabled certain privacy guidelines, I can actually get more and more information on the person, his social media tags, his a kind of device that he's using.
Okay.
Um, it's incorrect, and many brands. I don't know if all of you have seen. Apple does it beautifully. So if you permit, sir, I'll probably show everybody an Apple ad that
Yeah, sure.
that got released recently. But yes,
Yeah.
so net mobile marketing is here to stay. Mobile marketing is very important. Mobile marketing, as a budget, is taking in more amount of spends than normal. So with that,
Okay.
guys, let me. Sorry, sir. I'll show. I'm sure many of these smart kids will have seen this video. If you haven't, it's a recent video that Apple launched. Apple has, and unfortunately, I'm a big Apple brand lover. I know it's expensive, but I don't have. So my only expense, or the only thing that I love
Okay.
and I spend is on Apple. But
Apple.
Apple has a
Okay.
good privacy policy. So if you guys haven't seen this ad, I don't know if you have. This is Apple's privacy thing. So I'll just play this, and I hope everybody can see this.
Felix? Name, Felix. Date of birth, November 5th, 1986. Tracking current location.
Here's what you said, right? So help with the itching.
Why don't you mind your own business?
So that's what if you're not careful on your privacy settings, that's what mobile marketeers and many of the marketeers use that information, which is not correct. And if we have strong regulations, that would not be
Okay.
allowed. But that's what mobile marketing and that's what privacy settings is all about.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. Thank you, sir. The next thing is one of the student is asking about more detail on search engine optimization. If you can throw some light on that area. Yeah.
Sure. So I am not a big expert in that, but I can tell you what search engine optimization and search engine marketing is all about. So guys, SEO, SEM is one that you would keep hearing a lot. So think of it as, there are two aspects to search engine optimization. One is, let's say I am in the space of clothes, okay, and again in clothes, let's say in dry fit polo t-shirts. So search engine optimization is when your website is designed in such a way that you have a keyword like dry fit and you want to be a leader in the dry fit garments. You put dry fit in lots of your content in your website itself. So what it does is, when Google or any of the search engine was to index websites organically, on its own, because your website talks a lot about dry fit, you would get the first rank. Ultimately, search engine optimization is when you want to ensure that your brand or your company's name comes at that top or in the first two, three of the search strings. That's SEO, organic route. Many a times, if you're not careful and if you've seen how search engine works, you would see there are these, if you search anything on Google, there are these small little ad written in front of some. These are those paid advertisements that you get when you actually work with Google or these ad tech platforms and you buy the keyword. So the logical, a smart consumer would obviously look at the search string which is organic, and somebody who's not so who doesn't understand search engine marketing that much would not care. So let me give you actually an example. So I'm on a browser, let's say I'm on Google, and I say dry fit shorts. I just thought about it. Now see, Mintra talks a lot about dry fit shirts. So Mintra is the first hit. And this keyword nobody's bought. But let's say you think of shirts. Now, when you say shirts, these ads, if you were to click on Fab India, you're not doing the right thing because they have bought this keyword. Okay. This, all of these are actually companies which have bought. Now, the Geo one is an organic one because they've not been bought. So that's what SEO is all about, guys. Mintra is doing real good stuff on SEO because they haven't bought, but they're still coming number one on shirts, on dry fit. So SEO is all about when you actually get your particular brand or your particular product right on top for all the search engines.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, sure. Thank you.
For reference.
There's one more question which has come up. It says that he's pursuing MBA in marketing major and HRS minor, and he's interested in digital marketing role. So he wants to know that what is the scope and the job profiles and how he can get the exposure
Sure.
in digital marketing.
Perfect. And I can just tell you, sir, whosoever this person is, he or she has done a wonderful selection of a career path. Digital marketing is the hottest new sector in the marketing profession. So what's happening is more and more people are actually using digital marketing more, and more people would use digital channels to buy their product. So digital marketing is Buddy the right choice. It is a wonderful medium. So if you can try and learn a little bit more about social media marketing as well, try and learn on terms like pay per click, CPM, account-based marketing. These are terms that you would use a lot and would be beneficial. And digital marketing is a wonderful area. Many a times they call it digital and social media marketing. But yes, digital marketing is a wonderful area. Lots of scope, slightly technical, but the right place, right time, and more consumers would use digital channels to actually research about your product, buy your product. And at the back end, more and more companies would be using digital insights to actually track you, to advertise basis the digital trends. So yes, it's a wonderful area and wonderful avenue that you've chosen for yourself.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Shankar. So I would, ask a student. I think there is a facility. If you can, one of you can unmute, and then you can also ask a question. So if you can, maybe just try. One of you can try that out. If there is any question you want to ask, you can just unmute, and then you can ask. Put your audio and the video on.
Oh yes, guys, please.
Yes.
Kuch bhi, if I can definitely, if Subodh sir and I can help any of you in any which ways, please, we'll be happy to help you.
Yeah, because I also find that instead of text, if you want to ask it directly to the, our speaker here. So, okay, yeah, please go ahead. So yes, I think Jishnu, I think wants to ask. Okay, so I think they prefer to type it here, so no problem. So so there's one question which says, "Hello, sir. Can you recommend some courses on marketing which can help to enhance our CV?"
TV. Okay, sure. So Rajat, yeah, see, many honestly, I haven't done many. I was good in studies. So after school, I did engineering. Then I did my MBE. I've done couple of courses. So एक तो those typical Coursera or those kind of platforms are good. There are also these universities that give you certificate courses. I would say those are good. I have done recently a course on account-based marketing, but that was a paid course that my company sponsored, and hence I did. But I would say just search. I'll share my email address with you. Be in touch, and I can definitely guide you on if there is a particular area that you want to invest in or a key. So shankar_serene@hotmail.com is my email address. So please reach out to you. Okay, I can, sir, if I have the liberty, I can see a question from
Please,
Jishnu. Yeah,
please go ahead,
Jishnu
sir.
says,
Sure.
as a digital marketing professional for your esteemed company, what are the top main priorities that describe you as an expert advice? And my other question to you is, would you hire goal-oriented digital marketer or highly motivated digital marketer with full of bright ideas? Please throw some light, sir. This is my question for Shankar sir. Okay, Jishnu, yeah, थोड़ा सा complex था, बहुत सारे keywords थे, but I think what you're trying to ask is what are the traits in a digital marketer that I would look for, and if I was to hire a goal-oriented, okay, Jishnu, and an advice to everybody, guys. थोड़ा सा ना हमें we'll have to be clear in what we are thinking. कभी भी क्या होता है कि we get so carried away in typing and in writing that it's. But I get you, Jishnu. Not to you, buddy. Don't get me wrong. But आपका ना question में इतने सारे sub questions और sub parts that I couldn't understand. But I get your point. I think digital marketing के लिए some skills which are very important is search engine optimization. Um, it's very important that you understand how search engine rankings happen, how you give your budget on mobile spends, desktop spends, how you measure the outcome of a campaign, and you also work, is LinkedIn better or is Facebook better, or do we do WhatsApp marketing? Do we if you haven't heard of Clubhouse, Clubhouse was only for iOS users. Do we try Clubhouse because it's only targeting iOS, but the majority is on Android. But if your product is very niche, slightly expensive, targeted at a certain set of buyers, so I would say, Jishnu, those kind of things are very important. So I hope I could help you.
Sir, should I
if
make
that-
it more simpler for you?
Oh, please, that will be very helpful, Jishnu. In your words,
I'm very sorry. I'm very sorry. I'm a bit typing fast, so I can see. So actually, my main motive was goal-oriented digital marketing. In the sense, would you like hire qualified candidates from various streams or highly motivated digital marketer? Because the main things they focus on long-term strategies and growth.
Sorry, mainly they focus on what strategies for growth?
Long-term growth and sustainability.
No. So, okay. See, if somebody is keen on digital marketing, if I understand digital marketing, Vishnu, there are ways I can easily, test somebody. So I would say, forget about, somebody who has skills on paper versus somebody who's done hands-on. So I think in digital marketing, your hands-on experience would be more important. Okay. Mrityunjay, okay. Should I speak in Hindi, Mrityunjay? Okay, perfect. No problems. So digital marketing में बहुत important है कि आप ना सर्टिफिकेट से जरूरी आप अपना skills जो आपने actually किया है उस पे focus करें. So अगर आप को आप प्रूव कर सकते हैं दैट आप पूरा अंडरस्टैंड करते हैं कि गूगल में आपका पेज ऊपर क्यों आया, आपका पेज नीचे क्यों है। अगर आप जिस कंपनी में जा रहे हैं अपने इंटरव्यू के लिए या आप जहाँ पे अपीयर कर रहे हैं, अगर आप उनको एक छोटा सा एक स्लाइड में बता सकते हैं कि वो क्या 5 चीजें हैं जो मैं करूंगा जिससे आपका डिजिटल मार्केटिंग में इम्प्रूव हो जाएगा रैंकिंग, आई थिंक वैसी चीजें करना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। सो जिष्णु, आई होप आपको भी समझ आया। आई थिंक मृत्युंजय हैड अ रिक्वेस्ट that I should speak in Hindi, so I just tried to answer you in Hindi. I hope you got it as well. Focus on skills, don't focus on certifications.
Okay, thank you. So there is one more question that like say, can one become a freelancer in digital marketing and so?
बिल्कुल, बहुत बहुत बढ़िया क्वेश्चन। गाइस, होता क्या है फ्रीलांसर में, आई वुड से शुरू में फ्रीलांसर मत बनो। फ्रीलांसिंग इट्स लाइक अ स्टार्टअप वाला काम। इट्स वो कहते हैं ना, रास्ता पथरीला ज्यादा होगा इफ यू टेक दैट रूट इन द बिगिनिंग। इनिशियली थोड़ा सा अपना गेट योर एक्सपीरियंस, अंडरस्टैंड द कॉर्पोरेट लाइफ, अंडरस्टैंड एजेंसी कैसे वर्क करती है कॉर्पोरेट के साथ, रिलेशनशिप कैसा होता है। देन जब आपको अच्छा you get a pulse of the skill, आपको उसका बहुत अच्छा समझ आ जाए ना, that's when you become a freelancer. शुरू में आपको ना फ्रीलांस करने पे प्रोजेक्ट्स बहुत कम मिलेंगे because they would always ask for a आपका आपने क्या काम किया हुआ है, आपके skills क्या है। and if you say I'm a fresher and I've just started as a freelancer, मुश्किल होगा। but having said that, कुछ एरियाज में फ्रीलांसर इज वेरी गुड बिकॉज जैसे कंटेंट मार्केटिंग है, अगर आप लोगों को मृत्युंजय किसी हिंदी पेपर के लिए और हिंदी ब्लॉग के लिए उन लोगों को कंटेंट राइटर्स नहीं मिल रहे एंड आपको वो एरिया बहुत अच्छा पता है, और अगर आप उसे कन्विंस कर सकते हो कि यस मैं आपके लिए फ्रीलांसर के रूप में अच्छा कंटेंट लिख सकता हूँ, प्लीज डेफिनेटली, बट यूज फ्रीलांसिंग एज एन एडिशनल एवेन्यू। उसको मेन जॉब इनिशियली मत करो, बट freelancing is a wonderful thing. but एक और चीज, if you using it as an additional job, be very transparent with your company कि आपने ऐसे वाला एक avenue भी किया हुआ है, because at times companies are very strict कि आपका अगर एक full time job में हो and if you have another parallel business that could ultimately be a code of business conducts में गड़बड़। so be very transparent कि आप अपने फ्री टाइम में या एडिशनल टाइम में ऐसा भी काम कर रहे हो। बट फ्रीलांसिंग इज अ गुड ऑप्शन, बट आई वुड एडवाइस कि आप शुरू में मत करो। गेट सम एक्सपीरियंस, गेट सम सर्टिफिकेशंस, गेट सम स्टार्स, थोड़ा सा लोग आपके लिए रेफरेंस दे पाए कि हाँ यार हमने इसके साथ काम किया था, तब ये XYZ एजेंसी में था या इस कंपनी में था, बहुत अच्छा काम करता है। that will be better, my advice.
Okay, thank you, sir. Next question we have is that with your experience, so did it happen that you faced a very tough client, and as a marketer or as a sales guy, and then you did something to kind of win over that deal? So if you can maybe some
वो तो हमेशा वो हमेशा मुझे क्लाइंट तो टफ नहीं मिला बिकॉज मेरा शुरू से मार्केटिंग का ना B2B में रहा है। हाँ, और मेरे 2 बॉसेस थे जो बहुत टफ थे। आप लोगों को भी गाइस, व्हेन यू एंटर द एक्चुअल कॉर्पोरेट वर्ल्ड, सब कुछ रोजी नहीं होगा यार। कोई ना कोई कोलीग खराब होगा, कोई ना कोई मैनेजर खराब होगा। मेरे एक मैनेजर थे मेरी एक कंपनी में जो काफी कहते हैं ना स्कूल टीचर टाइप, सुबोध सर जैसे स्वीट नहीं थे, वो काफी डांटते थे और उनको बहुत पसंद था कि वो कहते हैं ना बिल्कुल टफ क्वेश्चंस ही करें। हंसना तो उनके लिए बहुत ही दूर था। मुझे काफी मुश्किल हुआ। सो 2 महीने तक मैंने सारे दाव पेच लगाए, उनको कैलेंडर इनवाइट भेजा कि सर मैं आपके साथ रिव्यू मीटिंग कर सकता हूँ। रिव्यू मीटिंग पॉसिबल नहीं थी। उनके डोर में जाके, केबिन में जाके नॉक करने की कोशिश की और मुझे शीशे के थ्रू भेज दिया गया। बहुत सोचा, समझ नहीं आया। फिर मैंने उनको एक बारी सैटरडे को फोन किया एंड आई सेड सर, और बिल्कुल इसी टोन में मैंने कहा सर आपसे बात करना मुश्किल हो जाता है, आपसे फीडबैक भी नहीं ले पा रहा, 2 महीने हो गए कंपनी में, अच्छा कर रहा हूँ बुरा कर रहा हूँ, बताइए। एंड दिस वाज एक्चुअली इन हिंदी इन सो मेनी वर्ड्स। और कुछ हुआ कि उन्होंने कहा अच्छा ठीक है चल मंडे को मिलते हैं 5 से 6। मंडे को भी जब मैं 5 बजे गया उन्होंने मुझे ऐसे टर्न किया एंड देन ही स्टॉप, ही रियलाइज मैं तो इनको फोन किया था। सो नेट नेट निचोड़ है कि आपको मिलेंगे, आपको सारे तरह के लोग मिलेंगे, बट आई थिंक कभी कभी उसको हेड ऑन लेना हेल्पफुल होगा।
Okay, okay. So I think one student has
एक
put.
रजत का क्वेश्चन है
Yes,
और एक
yes,
शुभम का क्वेश्चन है। रजत कह
yes,
रहा है
yes.
स्कोप ऑफ मार्केटिंग इन ऑटोमोटिव सेक्टर बहुत सारा है यार रजत। सो थिंक ऑफ इट ऑटोमोटिव, अब डिपेंड करता है आप कौन से 2 व्हीलर 3 व्हीलर 4 व्हीलर। सो लेट्स से अगर आप 4 व्हीलर में हो, आपका ऑडियंस बहुत डिफरेंट है। सो हर एक चीज यार, रिसर्च में भी स्कोप है बिकॉज आपको रिसर्च करना है कि 4 व्हीलर्स ने 4 व्हीलर को क्यों चूज की, या आप क्या प्रोडक्ट में डिफरेंशिएशन ला सकते हो कि आपका 4 व्हीलर ज्यादा अच्छा हो जाए कंपटीशन से। सो बिल्कुल स्कोप है यार हर एक चीज में। मार्केटिंग टचवुड इज वन एरिया, आपको बहुत जगह स्कोप मिलेगा। सो प्लीज इफ यू आर कीन पैशनेट अबाउट मार्केटिंग, उसको लीजिएगा। आई एम लिटिल कॉन्शियस कि 4 मिनट बचे हैं, सो मैं थोड़ा जल्दी बोल रहा हूँ। शुभम आपका है डिस्क्राइब एजेंसीज प्रोसेस इन हेल्पिंग मी मीट माय मार्केटिंग गोल। यार ऐसा कुछ नहीं है। सो शुभम, एजेंसी प्रोसेस जो मैं कह रहा था, क्या होता है कि आप अगर मार्केटियर हो, आप सब कुछ खुद नहीं कर पाते। सो आप बहुत सारी एजेंसीज के साथ काम करते हो। एड एजेंसी होती है जो आपके लिए एड बनाती है, डिजिटल एजेंसी होती है जो आपके लिए आपको हेल्प करती है आपके डिजिटल मार्केटिंग गोल्स यूज करने के लिए। क्रिएटिव एजेंसी एड्स बनाने के अलावा, कुछ क्रिएटिव एजेंसीज आपके लिए बड़े बड़े पोस्टर्स, पैम्पलेट्स, सोशल मीडिया के लिए बैनर्स, वो सब बनाती है। सो एजेंसीज भी होती हैं, यू कुड जॉइन एन एजेंसी एज वेल। एजेंसी इज जनरली ऑन द सर्विसिंग साइड, तो आप थोड़ा सा टफर काम होता है वर्सेस इफ यू जॉइन एज अ मार्केटियर इन अ कॉर्पोरेट। दोनों साइड्स इंटरेस्टिंग है। मैंने एजेंसी लाइफ ज्यादा नहीं देखी, बट आई वर्कड अ लॉट विद एजेंसीज। सो अच्छा है शुभम, join either of the side, agency or a corporate marketing. And guys, एक चीज ध्यान रखना, आप जो भी इस कॉल पे हैं, so all 24 of you or 30 at the peak time, please don't worry about jobs सबको मिलेंगी यार, everybody would get a job, there is no dearth of a job. Just as I said in my last slide, just have a passion, उसको follow करो, believe in yourself, सब कुछ मिल जाएगा। You are lucky to have good you're lucky to have Dr. Subodh, you're lucky to have
Oh, thank you, sir.
lots of interesting, so आप इस meeting पे आए हो, touch wood, everything would be perfect.
Okay, great, great. Thank you so much, Mr. Shankar. So I think
Yeah.
it was a great, session today interacting with you. And students, you can see that, Mr. Shankar have touched upon, various aspects, in his session today. So, he talked about market research, and brand management, what is strategic marketing, what is advertising, what is promotion, what is PR, corporate communication. So introduced a lot of, these topics and the areas I'm sure must have been new to many of you. And apart from the technical aspect of the marketing, he also talked about that how you can live a happy and a fulfilling life, a great career, in which he talked about a lot of keywords, which was there in his presentation, like to follow the passion. I think that's what he had put in bold in his slide, as the largest font, which says that it was follow your passion. And then he mentioned about that believing in yourself and all the things which you must have seen in the school, and the teachers talking to you that do hard work, be sincere, do things, follow your passion, and so be kind of develop a hobby. And in fact also he talked about, so it's not only one area, life is not just focusing in one area, but you should be like living life in a full manner. So I think that is what Mr. Shankar has beautifully told in his presentation and managed to you all. And I think this is one of the thing which I in fact had the first time I've in any session which I have been a part of, attended, that where he mentioned that so everything will not be rosy the way it is, so when you enter into even a big brand, you may find difficult bosses, you may get a difficult colleague, or even your subordinate when you move into the role of becoming managers and like that. So I think that is very beautifully Mr. Shankar has told, and I think he has been kind enough to share his email address, so that if you want to reach him, you have any query, even after the session, you can kind of email to him at shankar_sareen@hotmail.com. So he has been kind of
shows my age
so-
also. I'm still in that Hotmail world.
yeah,
Yes.
so I think we are all like a gratitude all to Mr. Shankar for being, and his name is also resembles the Lord Shiva, which is
my
so
mother's
the one
favorite god.
who, yeah, so that's the Devo ke Dev Mahadevs, that's we call it, and that is what Mr. Shankar.
Thank you,
If
sir.
you have any issues, you are Devas, so if you have any issues, you can approach Mr. Mahadev, which is Mr. Shankar. So,
And to all my colleagues, all
Yeah.
my friends, thank you so much for having me. And मुझे संस्कृत बहुत अच्छी आती है, guys, and I think that I missed. So
I'd like to hear from you. Yes,
oh yeah,
please go
yeah.
ahead.
So अभी कुछ संस्कृत में doubt है, मैंने I love Sanskrit. So there is a logic while it's ओम नमः शिवाय क्यों कहा जाता है, is a logic. So नमः के साथ चतुर्थी विभक्ति आती है. So मुझे कुछ चीजें बहुत पसंद हैं. So if if you follow my last slide, बहुत सारी चीजें जो मैंने अपनी लिखी थी. Follow your passion, ask the universe, hard work,
Okay.
sincerity, gratitude. So thank you so much for having me, and Subodh sir, pleasure. Richa,
Same
Khushbu,
here.
all the backend team, thank you so
Sure.
much, guys.
Okay.
I'll log off now. Thank you.
Sure. Thank you so much for all joining the session. Thank you very much. Thank you, Mr. Shankar.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.